AI has made video generation so easy for brands, digital entrepreneurs, agencies, and marketers. There's a cool tool I'm talking about in today's video that can analyze viral trends in a video, extract its structure, and help you come up with new content for your brand. You can use it for your ads, your website, your social media. The options are endless. It depends on your creativity and how you're willing to use this AI tool. The tool we're talking about today is Dvid's newest MCP Studio. It's an AI studio that lets you create content by analyzing viral trends from existing videos. In this video, I'll give you a detailed tutorial of how you can use it, who it's for, and what are the best ways to maximize this powerful AI tool. Are you excited? Let's get started. This is Dvid AI's viral MCP studio. You can head over to the link in the description of this video to check this out for yourself. It's super easy to use, super intuitive, and you can see that it has a section where you can already see the videos that are trending currently on TikTok. This video has 1.7 billion views. This one has 755 million views. This one has 1.3 million views, and so on. There are some videos with like multiple million views, and you can reverse engineer them for your own channel or your own business. How cool is that? Aside from that, if you like some video here, you can actually paste the URL here. The video needs to be a short video, so only up to 60 seconds. Or if you have a downloaded video that you want to copy exactly, you can upload this video here and click on create. Let's try to recreate one viral reel and see how it goes. बंदा फेंका प्यार करे पापी प्यार में पड़ गई रे नजरें तेरी तीखी तीखी दिल में मेरे गड़ गई रे मर गए 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 रे मर गए मर. Okay, so I found a video that I really like. Maybe I can try recreating this with my own face. Let me copy this URL and see how Dvid AI comes up with this. So I paste the URL of the video that I want to reverse engineer, and then I click on create. Now there are the references that we have to add. So in case you're doing it for a business and there is a product that you need to share, your own product, then you can use a picture of your own product here as a reference image. For me, this is just a dance video and I want to put my face on it, so that is what I'm going to do. I'll just download this picture that I have of my face. It's a selfie, and then I will upload it on Dvid AI. You can also change the background. So let's try and change the background of this video also. So this is a beautiful street I was walking down yesterday. I'm going to save this street and then see if Dvid video can generate this image on this street. Then we'll write a description here. So I wrote the description, keep the movements of the model the same, just change the face to the face of the reference image uploaded, and change the background to the reference image uploaded. Once you write the description, we will click on create. So now we have to wait for Dvid AI to reverse engineer this viral video that I got from YouTube, then try to regenerate it using my face. We'll see how it goes. So based on my prompt, Dvid AI has analyzed this video and it has given a description. Overall style is a live action dance performance with vibrant colors, high definition clarity, warm wooden floor tones, and purple accented backgrounds curtains. Stable camera capturing fluid, energetic dance movements. So we can generate this video segment by segment. This is the first segment. This is the second segment that Dvid AI has come up with. So you choose which segment you want to generate first. Maybe I try to generate the second segment first. So here also you can have additional reference images if you like. I've already uploaded one reference image, so I don't think I'm going to add more. And then I click on generate and we'll see how it goes. And I will also try to generate the first segment. So you can see this is my workspace, and Dvid AI is already at work. It's generating two segments of the video at the same time. We zoom out a little bit and show you. So this is basically the video that I shared. It divided into two segments, and for each segment I have started the regeneration. And if you like, you can also add additional reference images for each segment. This just goes on to show that Dvid AI is super powerful of doing multiple generations at the same time. The first generation took up 60 credits and the second generation took up 36 credits. While we wait for David AI to generate these segments, let's also talk a little bit about pricing. There are three pricing plans in David AI. The light plan comes at $10 per month billed yearly, and you get 200 credits per month, which is a very generous plan in my opinion, because generating this one video from David AI, it took me about 100 credits. So with 200 credits you can generate two viral videos for just $10, which is insane. Now imagine if you had to hire an influencer, ship your product to them, ask them to generate, go through multiple rounds of back and forth over email. You would have to spend so much time and energy to get one video. But with just $10 you can get two viral videos ready for you in less than 1 hour. How much more effective could AI get? I think David AI is a really cost effective AI video generator tool, and this new viral video agent is just the cherry on the top. Okay, so David has generated two versions already. I'm going to check this and see how this one looks like. So let's view this on full screen. This is insane. It's so accurate. Like the movements have been captured accurately. My face has been captured accurately, and the background you can see dancing in this beautiful Barcelona street has been captured accurately. Oh my god, I'm already in love. Let's also check the variation too, which is in a 16:9 format. I'm gonna click on it. बंदा फीका प्यार करे पापा प्यार में पड़ गई रे नजरें तेरी टीकी टीकी दिल में मेरे गड़ गई रे मर गए मर गए मर गए मर गए मर गए मर I love it. I love the music also that has come. Now let's compare it with the original video. Maybe we can do a comparison side by side and see how it looks like. It is insane. I love it, and I love that there's also a transition of outfit change. I love it so much. I'm gonna watch it once again. मंदा फीका प्यार करे पापा प्यार में पड़ गई रे नजरें तेरी टीकी टीकी दिल में मेरे गड़ गई रे मर गए मर गए मर गए मर गए मर गए मर गए रे मर गए मर गए मर गए मर गए मर गए रे This is insane. So this was just a dance video, but we see that the AI has not copied the dance steps exactly. So there is no case of any copyright infringement, or there is no case of anybody claiming that you have copied their video. You retain the style of the original viral video, but you can also add your own flair to it. The AI has added its own flair to it, its own originality to it, and I am in love. I am in love. I am sold. Now imagine the kind of power a tool like this can have for creators and marketing teams. If you have a product that you want to promote, you don't even have to think of a script or a hook for it. All you have to do is see what your competitors are doing, see what the best players in the market are doing, and then use David AI to reverse engineer that and apply that to your own brand. I think this can cut your marketing budget by 90%, save like a ton of your time, and help you make amazing sales using AI. What do you think about this incredible feature of David AI's Viral Studio? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions regarding David AI or AI video generators in general, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. And please definitely share this video with your friends who work in marketing or who work in AI product promotion, so they can learn something new as well. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on it. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Keep hustling. Cheers.